Morning, hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Saturday, July 11th. So we are going to be warm, mostly clear, dry, and occasional breezy. We're going to be dominated by high pressure, particularly early and late in the period from the Four Corners area. But we will have a system, pretty strong low system, move over us Sunday through Tuesday. That'll bring breezy conditions as well as bring red flag conditions on Sunday. The only caveat is that we're not considered, fuels are not considered critical yet. I'll show you that here in a second. But Sunday and to a lesser degree on Monday, particularly for zones 410 and 425, are going to be really breezy and low RH. We will have some other zones as well that, at least for the low areas, and I'll show you those. Mainly the Lemhi and Big Lost ranges and a little bit in the Sun Valley area will also be breezy, critical winds and critical RH as well. But again, fuels are not considered ready yet. Our driest, warmest day is going to be today with high pressure ridging well over us, and we'll have a Haines of 6 as well. Just kind of show you, we have the high off the Four Corner region. You can see it's kind of bringing moisture around it. We do have this low, and it's going to actually, we have a little bit of ridging over us now, and that's going to drop that ridging back to the south as this low kind of scrapes over southern Canada. We're not looking for much of any precip, maybe a little bit on Monday afternoon in the Island Park area, but the main impact is really just going to be winds and then the low RH that we have left over from this dry air mass and warm air mass that we have over us now. Looking at our matrix, you can see that we have low humidity is critical. All the areas here are listed with humidity, and then when I have windy, we have critical winds. And so as those match up for Sunday, likely would need a red flag for 410, 425. Again, the caveat is we're not quite critical in the fuels yet. And then you can see that carries over, be windy in low humidities as well for these other areas on Monday. And I did mention earlier the Sun Valley area and Lemhi area and Lost River areas will also have, particularly in the lower areas, will have low RH and windy conditions that are critical. Here is the fuel status. It's only 425 that's approaching critical status. And if that were to change over, we would potentially put out a red flags for 425, and is also potentially for 410 as well, because of these widespread conditions in both zones for the whole zone. You can see our ERC values continue to trend upward. And then as far as our high temperatures today, they are above normal, around 4 to 6 degrees, some 8 degrees in some areas above normal. Our RHs are quite low. It'll be the lowest. Again, it'll be the hottest day of the period as well as the lowest RH. You can see the majority of the zone is below 15%. And then we will not really get gusting till late afternoon as that system starts to approach. The bigger wind impacts really are going to be on Sunday and Monday. You can see our Sunday temperatures drop to near normal, and then our RHs are still widespread below 15, and this is the major concern for 410 and 425. Again, you have these valleys that have critical RHs as well. They also have critical wind values above 25 in these areas and above 30 and then all these areas here. So it'd be a concern again for fire weather conditions. And then Monday, temperatures do drop around 4 to 8 degrees below normal as that system's over southern, over the middle part of Montana, still up in Canada though, and you see our RHs do get better, but they are still below 15%, particularly across the northern part of the Snake River Plain and eastern Magic Valley. And our wind gusts still remain breezy. You can see all the yellow areas are above 30. Our high temperatures are still 48 degrees below on Tuesday. Our RHs recover a little bit better, but they're not going to fully recover till Wednesday as that system kind of exits. And then you see Tuesday, our winds are not in critical values pretty much anywhere, but they're still breezy. And then Wednesday, our high temperatures do recover a little bit, but still 3 to 6 degrees below normal. And then our RHs are quite nicely recover, only a few areas below 15. And then our high temperatures Thursday are starting to just be a degree or two below normal. And then our RHs still are low, but not below 15%. And then you can start to see on Friday that we go near normal, so slightly above normal, and the RHs gradually get a little bit worse, but still not widespread critical by any stretch. So as a quick summary, we're going to see mostly clear, dry, and occasionally breezy conditions. Primarily our warmest will be today. We will warm back up after a system moves through us Sunday through Tuesday. We'll warm back up by Thursday and Friday of next week, be below normal Monday through Wednesday, and then red flag conditions on Sunday, lesser degree on Monday, mainly for 410 and 425, widespread for winds and RH, and then we will have our driest and warmest day to day with a Haines of 6. So that concludes the briefing. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thanks.